Hello, and welcome to, or welcome back to, the channel of the Nasdaq scalping bot. In this channel, I show you guys the progress I have with the bot I made in Python, my first Python program, with the goal to get some passive income with automated trading on the Nasdaq. And in a daily report, I tell you guys what I changed in the code, how the bot did, and how we are doing on the market. And this is the first report of the week, so let's see what we did in the weekend. Let's start with the code. And the code changes for this weekend weren't that great. Not that much. I reactivated, like I said last Friday, I reactivated the prints and I adjusted it this morning again, the half scale through like we had for the last week. I adjusted first time this weekend into a 1 and today again into a 2 to prevent that same small ups and downs we talked about Friday is being triggered to do a position, to open a contract. And maybe 2 is too much. The 2 is too much. And we bring it back to 1.5. But for now, I tried 2 to prevent those small ups and downs. And of course, I changed this one into a 3. Did I change anything else in the code? Nope. Not during this weekend and not today. So small changes, and like I said, we have new goals. I want to leave the code alone for an entire week. I want to leave the bot alone for an entire week and see how we do at the end of the week. Talking about the bot, let's go to the bot. And the bot, you see, had a red background. It means we had a sell today, and the sell ended with a loss of €1.06. And I started that at, you see, 2:30 in the morning. Yes, yesterday morning. No, not yesterday. Yeah. So I was up late and I saw that the 1 didn't help, so I brought it up to a 2. And we had a loss of €1.06. And I can live with it. If there was a better profit going up, then it would be all right. So there weren't any flaws in the code. There weren't any flaws in the bot. So it runs for now. And let's see how we did on the market. We had a slow market, as we could see, and we're glad that the bot did not pick up all those smaller ups and downs like it used to, because we saw it had only more losses than profits. So we are happy that we are at this point. We're not happy that we're having a slow market, but we can't help it. The market is the market. And so we need to find out for the rest of the week how we're doing and how the bot reacts. Then can we take a look at the reports? Yes, we can. For the reports, we see we had some smaller losses today. That's right here. €10 loss at the point that I said, okay, we need to kill the bot and we need to reset it to a larger amount as 1. So I went for half an ATR to 1 an ATR, and now I'm up to 2 an ATR. So 4 times larger than we had last week. And maybe it's too much. I don't know. We have to wait until there is more action on the market. Again, more action on the market is needed to see how we did. we started today with this week with 672, and we're gonna see how we do it for the rest of the week, and hopefully make less losses than that we did last Friday, because last Friday we had a lot of losses also because of the market. And now you guys are up to date again, what happened in the weekend and what happened today and how we were on the market. And if you liked the video, then press like. And if you want to see more of this and want to have a daily update in your mailbox, then you should subscribe. And feel free to leave a comment to give me some feedback about what you think about the project and how you think about the bot. And if you want to talk more to me about the bot or about the coding or about the market, then you need the Discord server. I will leave a link in the description too, where you can ask me questions about the bot, and then we can talk more in depth about the coding and about the market if you want to. And I started today again with showing the bot live in action on Twitch, so you can follow it on Twitch live. And if you want to do that, you also need the Twitch link, and I will leave that link in the description too. And if you feel like you should support me in my endeavor to get a better program and to get a better Python program, you can support me by my Patreon account, and I will leave a link in the description too. But as usual, I don't expect anyone actually using the Patreon account. But if you want to, I won't stop you. And then the only thing I have to say is have a little fun every day. See you guys tomorrow.